Hello friends, today you know that there's a Div 3 contest of Code Forces round 713 and there is a one problem that B is almost rectangle. This is a problem of simulations. So let's read these problems. Okay, and it is very good for beginners. If you are very good at simulations while implementing the your logic, it is very good. So problem is that there is a square field n into n which two cells are marked. Okay, there are two cells are marked like this one in this here. The cell can be same in the same row or in same column. This is very important point here that they actually it can be in same row and same column. Okay, so okay, so this is the first, and you are to mark two more cells, so they are the corner of the rectangles. Again the point is rectangles. Okay, again is not a square. People assume that it's a square, it's a rectangle. Okay, understand the difference between rectangle and the square. Okay, square has for all the sides are equals. Okay, but in rectangle the sides are different. Okay, it may be the side may be different. Okay, so here it is a very important one, the side. The sides parallel to the coordinate axis. Okay, so the first point we get it is same row or same column can be the input, and the another thing is rectangle. Okay, these are two important things that we get from the information for first second line. Okay, first two line. Let's get some example. For example, if n equal to 4 and if the two inputs are given like this. Okay, like here 0 1 2 0 1 2 3. Okay, so there are 2 points are given. We can choose anybody. So definitely there is a 2 points here. One point is this one point is this one. Okay, so how do I solve this problem? Okay, first whenever you get this kind of problem now, always try to make all conditions can be. Okay, like if the two rows, like if two rows in the same row, first condition is if the two mark in same row, like yours, like it can be here, this is in the same row, so answer can be here. Okay, this can be answer, one answer, or this can be another answer, because this make is rectangle, and in question they say that it is a rectangle, so this can be another solutions. Okay, and another this can be solutions. Okay, for this same row. So understand the point, if our row equal 0 0 1 2 in same row, I can in same row I actually say the condition that if row equal 0 1 2 till n minus 2, I can print the last one n minus 1. Okay, yes or not? Because if the same row or this one, I can print n minus 1. For this one I can print another, this is square. Okay, so but if row equal n minus 1, if the last point is there. Okay, so better you understand, if row in the same row, if row equal n minus 1, that means these 2 points right now, our two mark are here. I can't go below from that because this is the last, so I should print anybody anywhere, so I can print here 0. For this is the edge case. Okay, this is the edge case, so you have to print it. I have to make a different condition for this, if row equal n minus 1. Okay, so let's try to solve it. Let's try to another condition is if same columns are there. This is a very similar condition to same row. Let's assume that if column are same this one, if row equal to 0, then you can print here. This is this is one of solutions. You can print here. This is also a solutions. Okay, you can print here. This is also a solution, because this is making one rectangle, this is making another rectangle. Okay, the same is if column equal n minus 1, you have to make another condition, like, because after, because if it is in the last point, you should choose any column before n minus 1. I will choose 0, because it also make a one rectangle. You can choose anybody. Okay, okay, after same row, after same column, we have one condition, if it is in diagonal, if it is in diagonal. Okay, so in diagonal, how to solve this question? So let's assume that, like, how this is one diagonal, it can be possible. Another diagonal is this, similar to like this. Okay, so understand, if for this point my row should be same, my row should be same. If, like, if it is 0, so for this one the row should be same, and for this one row should be same, so row will not change. For first point, the row will not change. Understood the point? Row will not change. Like, whatever you store the rows of first mark, it should be here, and the and whatever you store the sec of row of the second rows of the second mark, it should be here. What the problem is that column will be swapped. Column will be swapped. Whatever the column in the first mark, it is here, and whatever the column will get from second mark, it is getting there. Yes or not? So in diagonal, in diagonal column are swapped. That's three condition we should take care. That's it. Okay, so in the first condition is that, if the row sames are, just check, row should not equal to n minus 1. If it is n minus 1, choose either left any 2 point. Okay, any 2 point parallel to n minus 1, or another that you choose, if row is not equal to n minus 1, you can choose any point. Okay, any point parallel to it is just easy. And the same condition goes to column. And for diagonal, our column are swapped. That's two conditions. Let's try to program it. Okay, okay, okay. So let's try to submit it. Let's try to get it. How to solve it? Okay. So first you have to take it test case lt string t while t minus minus. So second is that you have to take the numbers of rows and numbers of column is 4. So is a 4 rows and 4 columns. So let's try lln cn. Okay. So after that I need char of array n. So I have to store everything. I have to see input of char for ll I equal to 0, I less than I plus plus, for ll j equal to 0, j less than j plus plus. So C array of I, array of j. So our work is over here. Let's try to get its vector. storing. Do you know how to use pair? If you know, it will very easy because vector work like the same like array, but it is much more efficient. Okay. Now for each index like v0, it contains two elements in pair. Okay. So this is called v0 dot first. This is called v0 dot first, and this point is called v0 dot second. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay. Yeah. That's why I'm using that because I have to store two mark ij. Okay. So let's try to solve it. First, will I have to store. I have to take it. Okay. Because let's try to submit it. Let's try to just store the I comma sorry I comma j index of mark cell. Okay. If array of I array of j equal this one, and v dot pushback is I comma j. So we'll store the index of I comma j. Okay. So now we'll store 2 points. Okay. So our v0 dot first store my first mark cell, and the v0 v1 dot first store the first row of the second column. Okay. So let's try to do same with same row. If two marks are in same row. Okay. So how to solve this question if in same row? Okay. So if two marks in same row, check if v0 dot first equal v of 1 dot first. If it is equal, v0 dot first equal v dot 1, that means the two rows are in two mark are in same row. Okay. Wait. Yes. uh, right now you can understand if like this point, 2 points are there, it is in same row. That means like if it's 0 comma 2, okay, and is it 0 comma 3, so here both my first of the v0 dot first or v1 dot first, it should be equal. If it is equal, that means it is in same row. Okay, let's check our condition. If v0 dot first equal n minus 1. If it is n minus 1, so how should we print if it is n minus 1? Because it is the last point. Okay, so understand, if it is, so we have to print anyone. You can print array of 0, array of 1. Okay, if it is in last point, like this point, if it is there, this is the last row, you can choose any row in between this point to this point. I will choose 0. Okay, because it make rectangles, so don't worry about that. So array of 0, array is my char array. Okay, so array of 0, and our column are same. So column is v0 dot second equal array of again 0, b of 1 dot second dot second equal. So that's our first will do. If this is a edge case, so we should do after the else. If it is not in last, so you should if it is in between 1 2 and minus 2, I can make rectangle with just put in row and minus 1 in the same column. Yes or not? Okay. So here array of n minus 1, and the same thing I will do here. Just copy the code and just put 0 to n minus 1. So it's n minus 1 and it's also n minus 1. Okay. So this is a row, same row condition is over, and let's try to else conditions. Else if p0 dot second equal v1 dot second. This is a similar case of same column. Okay, it is a condition of same column. So here also a same condition. If v of 0 dot second equal n minus 1. If it is there, so array of n minus 1, so you have to, because the first, if it is in same column, so column will change, row will be always same. Okay, column will change but row will be same. So v0 dot first, you can imagine v0 dot first, and it is 0. Okay, so same here, array v of 1 dot first and 0. Okay, so v1 dot first, it is very similar to. Okay, so same the condition. This is the edge case condition come over. So we'll go for else statement and array of, we'll copy it. Okay, and try to submit it. Okay, try to copy and just here you should be print anything. I think I can print n minus 1. N minus 1. It is in last. So let's try to get another condition. If it is in diagonal, this is a condition of diagonal. Okay, if it is a case in diagonal, if so it is in diagonal case, so nothing print like that. A array, so first point it should be equal v of 0. In diagonal I am saying that row are same but column will be swapped. Okay, so it should be v of 1 dot second. Okay, equal to array v of 0, v of 1 dot first will be same, and v of 0 dot seconds. So here you can check column will be swapped. Okay, and so nothing is over here. Just we'll complete our statement. Okay, so here nothing worry about that. So let's try to try it to check is it working or not. Okay, is runtime error, we have to check it. Wait. Okay, wait. I'm not printing enough. I have to print for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, or int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus, and see out array of I, array j, and see out ender. Okay, right. Okay, so you will check it. We're getting the same correct output. Okay, you will check. Okay, so let's try to submit it and we'll get it. Okay, so there are three conditions are there. Only same row, same column. In same row also there are condition is that if it is in same row, it is not in a last row. Okay, so we'll submit it and check it. Is it getting correct or not? Okay. So accept. Okay, code is accepted, so it's not a big problem here. Okay, so